Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to order from Temu in India. First, open the Temu website and make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, click on the login button, enter your details. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click EN to adjust the language settings. After that, click on change country or region. This will allow you to choose the country you're ordering from. Select India from the list of the countries. If you don't see India right away, you can choose another country. When you proceed to checkout, you'll enter your address in India. Once India is selected, you can check to make sure the language and currency are updated to match your location. Now go to the home page and browse through the products. When you find something you like, click on it to view more details. To add it to your chart, click on Add to Chart button. If you want to buy more items, simply repeat the process and click Buy Now for each item. If you're ready to proceed with one item, select the color or any variations available and then click Buy Now. Next, you'll be asked to enter your shipping information. Click on Change Address to update it. If it's your first time ordering, click on Add a new address and select India as your country. Now enter your full address detail including the street address, city, state, zip code, and any other necessary information. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues with delivery. Once you've entered all your details, proceed to checkout to complete your order. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.